Hello everyone! Welcome back to my chatty, sassy channel here on YouTube where we talk about all things luxury. And today, as you can clearly see in the thumbnail and right now, I have a Louis Vuitton bag unboxing for you. Now this is not my bag, this is my mother's bag, but she is letting me unbox it on the channel and then show you what fits in it. So, the bag comes in, of course, Louis Vuitton box with the blue ribbon. The dust bag. And the bag that she has gotten is the Odeon PM. Now this is the new style that came out a couple of years ago, which is pretty obvious by a couple of things. First off is that the new Odeon has this front pocket that is really, really wide and deep. It also has the luggage tag. And then of course the biggest thing is that you are able to now get this bag with black leather. And that was a big selling feature for her. Now, another thing about this bag that a lot of people complain about is actually the comfort of this leather strap. So Louis Vuitton does sell their webbed guitar straps just separately, but with tax, they're nearly $1,000. So what my mom did is that she actually went on to, I believe it was Etsy, and purchased a webbed strap for $40, and that has made this bag a lot more comfortable for her. This is the Louis Vuitton strap that is currently on the bag, but just so that you know, if you don't like that strap, it is always an option to do that. You could get a chain, you could do whatever you want, or of course you could get another Louis Vuitton strap as well. So with that, let's get into what fits in this bag. All right, so here we are with the bag, and as I mentioned, you have a very deep front interior pocket. And one thing I want to show you is taking my phone and putting it inside the pocket. It fits with tons and tons of room, so it doesn't even look like there's a phone in this exterior pocket. On the interior of the bag, there's also a slip pocket inside. I don't know if it'll show up since it's black, but there is also a slip pocket inside the bag on the back of the bag as well. Now, I'm going to show you how much stuff that you can fit in this bag. So first off, I'm going to start with my mom's wallet that she got for Christmas, and that fits in the bag. I can fit it straight across in here, but if I needed to, I could also have it standing up on the side as well. Next, I'm going to put in a checkbook, a passport. Here is a card holder from Louis Vuitton. Then I'm also going to slip in my Calvi, my Bastia. Then I'm going to put my bag hook, my keys, my ear pods in. And there is still room in this bag for me to put more stuff. So I'm going to add in my sunglass case. And that pretty much has the bag filled without being stuffed. Now I'm also going to show you another couple of arrangements as well if you would rather use a small wallet or a card holder. Now I'm going to put in a med kit this time. So this represents sort of a mini pochette if that's something that you like to carry in your bag. Once again, I am going to add in the sunglass cases. This time I'm going to do my small Victorine wallet, followed by my passport, my Calvi, my Bastia. Then this time I'm actually going to lay the AirPods on top, but then I still am able to have my bag holder and my keys in the back pocket for easily finding within the bag. And the bag zips perfectly easily, and as you can see, there's really no bulging going on, so it's still got a slimmer profile. That's pretty much the most that I would ever put in this bag. Of course, if I were to take out my wallet and instead switch it for a card holder, you can see the bag does get a slimmer profile once I take that wallet out, but there's still plenty of different things that you can put in this. Like I said, you can easily fit a mini pochette, a phone, a small wallet, a sunglass case, a couple of extra SLGs, as well as some other small items, like be it a small piece of makeup, AirPods, a bag holder. So you have tons and tons of room in this bag, and it can definitely fit all of your essentials for every day, or it can fit all of your essentials if you're traveling with it. We actually just went on a trip to Boston, and my mom carried this bag, and she had zero issues getting around with it. She's been carrying it actually for the past few weeks and has loved it, particularly with her webbed strap, because this leather strap just cut into her a bit too much, and the web strap gave her enough movement that it was very breathable and very usable and very comfortable on her throughout the day. So I hope this has been helpful in what fits inside of the PM of the new Odeon bag. Hope you have a great day, everyone. Bye!